So my name's Kendra Green Ellis, and I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. And I'm actually a real estate agent. I got to a point where I was tired of watching all of my investors make all the money and I just get a small commission check. So I started in November of 2018. I went to the She Buys It Live event here in Knoxville. And that's where I kind of dipped my toe in the water and learned a little bit about it. But it wasn't until December of 2018, towards the end of December, that I actually joined First Deal Done Fast. Since joining First Deal Done Fast, the week that I joined First Deal Done Fast, I was under contract on a flip property, and we just finished it up. We're listing it today, and from what we had, it was a lot more than we expected of the renovations, but we're going to make about $30,000 profit from this flip. So I would 100% recommend the First Deal Done Fast program if you don't know anything about real estate investing and you want to get into it and learn. Definitely come to the She Buys It Live. It is an overall general knowledge of so much information, some great speakers, and great opportunity just to open your eyes to other opportunities.